Hi, what is going on? Welcome back to my another brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Audacity on your computer. So let's get started. Link in the description, just click on it and you will see this website. Audacity, free audio studio application. Audacity is a free multi-track audio editor and recorder. The freeware enables people to go beyond the basics to sound editing by offering high-quality audio plugins etc. Developed by volunteers. The audiophile tool was released in 2000 and continues to receive consistent updates. Audacity is compatible with Apple Mac, Linux and Windows Microsoft operating system. So let's get started. Just click on this green button, wait for a few seconds and it will start. As you can see, just click yes and it will begin. It is just an 11 MB. It will take only few seconds and it will complete. So I'm going to in folder, open folder. Here is it. Right click on it, click on extract files, click OK. Okay, it's done and there is a folder now. So this is the application. Just right click, open, and it's done. No need to install this software, and as you guys can see, it is done. You can record audios from here, and when you finish, click here and you are done. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video.